All right, you need to use the latest C++ example, either the one on GitHub or the one I've shown in the prior video where you add KeyAuth to your own program. Either way works. What you're going to want to do is remove all the prompts for the login. So all the way to here, you can keep the user data if you want to. And then after init, you're going to want to do KeyAuth app dot web login, if I can spell it correctly. Web login, no parameters. There we go. And then just for the demonstration's sake, I'm going to put the waiting to log in. Not like I don't think that matters, but yeah, because it should automatically do it. But I'll put it there anyways. Logging in. All right, it should be logged in pretty quickly after or whatever. Logged in. And then if you want to be able to control, like if you need your user to like input something or whatever, you know, or that you want them to control it from the customer panel, you're going to want to go to wherever that is, and then the function is KeyAuth app dot, is it web button or button? All right, there we go. And it takes one parameter, and that's the button value. So when you create it, you have the button text, what they see, you know, basically like a button that looks like this. So the button text is that, and then the close, you can pretty much have it as whatever. You should have it as something that doesn't have weird characters, probably, because I haven't tested this too much. I'm kind of current for time, so yeah, just anything, and then. So I'm gonna do close just for you know, demonstration. But what else was I gonna do? All right, and then you could have so like this default function. So let's say first I'm gonna show you how you could normally use it, and then another use case too, since I'm sure some people may find that helpful. Close was clicked. Waiting for user to click close. So in this default you know, use case or whatever, it's going to, when it gets to this function right here, it's going to wait until the user clicks it, and then it'll go to the code that's after it. That's just how it is. I don't really want to mess around with the API and try to change it. Plus, I kind of like it like that, so don't see why to change it. But if you wanted to do it like let's say like after they logged in up here, you know, you wanted to have like a close func. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna have to change it, but yeah, close func. Okay. And then it's just this, and then after that it would be, you know, exit basically, or whatever you want to run after it. What am I doing? Void close func, and then we're gonna want to run that in a thread. So I think it's std thread. No, is it? No, I think it is. Run. Clue thread. Func. There we go. Okay, like that. And so if you had it like this, set up like this, after it logs in, it would run this thread, which would run in the background. So then your code would continue to execute, you know, in the main thread, and then in this background, in the background, it would wait for the user to click close, and if they clicked it, it would exit. And so, you know, that's a great way to have a close button. And I guess I'll just show you that real quick, since that's, and then we'll go over the default use case, you know. All right, so you're gonna want to upload it to an uploader. PalmFCat is a good one. They're pretty lenient on allowing file uploads. Discord API is probably better, but Discord may take down your file or something, I don't know. But okay, so if this web download is defined, then it'll show the web panel section in the customer panel. So just save that. And then you'll see where that comes into play in a second. Here's my customer panel link. Let's get a key. And then I added register and upgrade now, by the way. So you have no active subscriptions. That's amazing. Okay. $23. Oops. Okay. All right, I'm logged in. All right, and then I'll click on download, and then I'll download this file, and then when I run it, it's gonna automatically connect and log in. It's pretty cool. Did I not? I should have put something there. I should have put a sleep. So I'm gonna put a sleep so I can showcase you this code. All right, sorry about that. I just caught a code bug. Wrong session variable, basically. So glad I caught that in development. Do I need to start again? Okay, here we go. All right, there we go. So connected, logged in. And then we're going to. Okay, so you see here that it's holding open. Sorry about that for going off for a second. And then I'm going to close this, and then the background process is going to close it basically like that. So that's pretty nice. Let's go over another use case real quick. So I'm gonna delete this close func, but you guys could do that. You know, if you wanted to. Pretty nice use case. Okay. What does the other one say that says that? Okay, I'm going to delete that and do another one. For the video's sake, it'll look better. For the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I got to fix that too. Nice. Good, I'm not releasing quite yet. Testing. No, hello loader. Hello, LDR. Okay. Gonna update the download link again now. Alright, and then it's gonna be hello website. Yeah, I don't need one. Okay. Good, I spelled website correctly. Alright. Alright, here we go. Putting the web loader. It's gonna log in, and then it's gonna say waiting for user to click hello loader. And so I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and then a message box will show up. Alright, there we go. So it's pretty nice. You can control the loader from the customer panel. This requires seller plan. I'll get a picture of it later, it's fine. Some other things that you could do is you could have it so like when you close the loader or whatever, like it deleted itself. There's code for that on Stack Overflow. Don't ask us. Or on Google, either one. Another thing you could do is make it so like it didn't even show the console, since there's not really much reason most times to show the UI. You know, since you're controlling it from the website, so you could use code to hide like the program to make it non-visible when you start. So a bunch of stuff you could do like that. I think it's pretty nice. Link will be in the description to the C++ example, and then you just have to, you know, use these functions, the web login to, you know, wait for the person to run and then log in, and then the other ones. Also, like if the login information was incorrect or anything, I'll actually show that right now. It'll show them an error, so that's nice on the website. Okay. This is the test. Okay. Alright, this is the only active subscription, so I'm going to delete it. And then when I run again, and I don't have to reload. I don't know why I reloaded it there, because it'll say no active subscriptions found. So pretty nice. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.